vehicle not starting, either turn on. See, either turn on. So let's diagnose this one, guys. Let's have a look what's going on for this car. That is the bar is okay, this one, but I'm suspecting it's a steering lock issue. Hopefully I'm correct, but I'll have a look and I will check the wiring and everything to make it sure. Yeah, try ko nag-scan, guys. Ina-hazard on ko kasi baka sakali may scan ko yung BCM. So we have no luck, so let's see what's going on here. So we can force ignition this one. Yeah, ayan na, guys, na ignition on na siya. Actually itong scanner na to is yung software pala nitong Sanyo na to is meron siyang option na bawa kung hindi mo siya mapa-on na kung makikita nyo nagbi-blink yung susi, it's blinking, so probably steering lock to. So may option siya na just in case kung mawala lahat yung susi, siyempre hindi mo siya ma-ignition on. So may option siya na i-force ignition mo siya. Dito lang sa sa among yung software. Hindi ko sure sa ibang brand kasi based sa experience ko sa Nissan tsaka Mercedes, parang hindi mo siya kayang i-force ignition unless kung meron kang pang test part talaga. So ayan, may scan na natin. Ayan na, guys, na-scan na natin. So may nakuha tayong fault na sa SKM module ng susi, which is steering lock, ESCL. So steering light yan, guys. Yan, status mismatch. So i-coat na natin ang steering lock. Yun lang. It's not too bad. Yeah.